Welcome to use Huawei Fusion Cloud desktops. To help you have a better understanding of the desktop cloud, we will introduce basic information about the desktop cloud and lead you to the desktop cloud era. What is the desktop cloud? We'd like to explain the concept by comparing the desktop cloud to the TV station. A TV station, set-top boxes, and TVs are indispensable components for broadcasting television programs. Television programs are made in the TV station and stored in the storage system. The TV station transmits television programs to STBs by satellites or over cable TV networks. A desktop cloud data center can be compared to a TV station. All virtual machine resources, including computing, storage resources, and applications, are stored in data centers. Data centers connect to thin clients through networks. The TCs can be compared to the STBs. The STBs receive and transmit signals to TVs, while the TCs receive and transmit data streams from VMs to monitors and provide interfaces for other devices. The monitors can be compared to the TVs. The TVs receive and display television programs on a screen, while the monitors display desktop information for users. In conclusion, the desktop cloud is a cloud computing application that provides desktop services based on data centers. The desktop cloud transforms the traditional PC-dominated office model by separating office desktops and data from terminals. All storage resources, computing, and applications are stored in data centers instead of on local PCs. Users can access their office desktops at any time from anywhere and by any terminal. A user can access the desktop by using a soft client running on a PC, a TC in any office in the world, a 3G network, or Wi-Fi. The desktop cloud offers convenient, secure, and green information system, which greatly enhances user experience and work efficiency. What does the desktop cloud consist of? The desktop cloud system consists of cloud terminals and cloud hosts. A user can connect to a virtual desktop by simply using a monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, and a PC. These devices constitute a set of cloud terminals. In addition, there are thousands of cloud hosts in data centers. The cloud hosts provide VMs for users based on user requirements. Users can easily access their VMs using cloud terminals in their offices. What are the advantages of virtual desktops compared with traditional PCs? The advantages of virtual desktops include the following. The desktop cloud supports mobile access, which facilitates remote office. Without the desktop cloud, the staff on business trips have to carry lots of belongings. With the desktop cloud, they can easily access their VMs to work using a networked device at any place. All data of the desktop cloud is stored in data centers. When a power failure occurs in the office, the data stored in the data centers is protected by the backup power and not affected by the power failure. The desktop cloud eliminates data loss caused by power failures. The desktop cloud also creates a green and eco-friendly working environment. The use of cloud hosts in data centers reduces the floor space required in the office. Noise made by devices is reduced from 50 decibels to 10 decibels, and the radiation also drastically decreases. All the user data is under strict protection. In a traditional PC environment, the user data stored on PCs can always be compromised. In the desktop cloud environment, all data is stored in data centers and protected by measures such as access control and disaster recovery backup. How to use virtual desktops? To log into your virtual desktop, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open the Cloud client on the PC and select and access the Cloud website. Step 2. Enter the username and password in the login window. The system automatically finds the matched VM. Step 3. Double-click the VM icon. The system automatically loads the VM and displays the desktop information for the user. Till now, you have successfully logged into the VM. You can start to use the VM. Let us learn about common configuration items of the TC Control Center. The cloud clients and servers are related to user login. The desktop cloud login address needs to be configured. The cloud clients and servers also provide the login entry for cloud services. The settings of the monitor, mouse, audio are related to the system and routine operations. Adjustments of the monitor, mouse, keyboard, and audio may affect the use of VMs. The desktop cloud provides on-demand services over the network. The desktop services rely on the OS and network configuration of VMs. Observe and avoid performing the forbidden operations described here. If any of the forbidden operations is necessary, contact the system administrator. If you cannot connect to a VM, use any of the following methods to resolve the problems. On the login page, log into the VM using VNC. Then use the diagnostic tool to locate and rectify faults. You can use these methods if you have basic knowledge about a VM and VNC. On the login page, restart the VM. The restart can rectify Windows faults. You can forcefully restart the VM if a common restart cannot resolve the problem. For example, the Windows system is suspended. The forceful restart is comparable to removing the power plug from the real server, connecting the power plug, and restarting the server. Use this method if you do not know much about the VMs. However, do not frequently restart or forcefully restart a VM, because these operations may cause loss of OS files, like what happens on the PCs. If the previous two methods cannot restore the VM, contact the administrator. Huawei also provides a set of system optimization tools to improve your experience. These tools can help you optimize VM performance. When the VM is accidentally disconnected from the server, you can use the diagnostic tool to restore it. When the VM is faulty, you can use the getter tool to collect fault information. The collected information helps the administrator quickly locate and rectify faults. If you want to learn more about VMs or if you have any question, view the FAQs. If you want to learn more VM knowledge and techniques or share experience with others, click the volume link to visit our communities. The virtualization era has already come, and the development of desktop clouds is flourishing. Let us enter the cloud era and embrace the cloud future.